Ready.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm Kate, and if you're a returning viewer, please go ahead and share the video and comment which part of it is your favorite, and comment if you want a part 2. Remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Enjoy. Kayla darling. Kayla darling.
Hi.
What?
No, me said me just there wonder why you not come look for me for a morning.
Girl, I'm busy up here to wash some clothes because the dirty uniform and tights and all of them there. You know, mommy love cuss.
You talk about for your mommy love cuss, so you for wash your one uniform them. Yeah, mommy's baby.
Whatever. So what gonna happen to tomorrow? You still up for it?
Girl, me broke like a buckle. Me say me still there I contemplate whether me fi ask my parents for little money or whether me fi ask my boyfriend, but he may ever broke. Girl, me not even know right now, cause right now me broke like a buckle.
What you mean by broke? What happened to your man? You give your money, you know? I don't know about you, but my man give me money.
Girl, all him was a broke. A glass buckling broke down.
Well, me coulda never do with a one man who can give me money. When me want my things, them I think me gonna depend on my mother to give me. My man fi at least they give me when me want it. Woulda left a long time.
Right now, I know that me hit the talk about. My pa broke, he have bills and all of them Sunday for pay. Plus my mother, Jesus Christ, can spend. And oh Jesus. Like, he just left school, you know, but he need to come and find some small butt and go and find work. Cause sometime when I want you know, have it just burn me so.
Well, if nothing, go on for tomorrow, just call me here. Yeah, go over. Later.
Yeah, later.
What going babes? Are you alone there?
Yes, I'm alone there.
Ready?
Alright then, that means we can come in then.
Of course.
Alright. So what going?
No.
Then me dey up here go see me. Well, I know say up here and then I see me come back now. See if I alone then I go and spend the day or some spend some time like up here boring. You don't know too.
What yeah? You know say you can come check me anytime and you know say up the boring. Cause up this come like one of the isolated places. But you have to go look work. Cause you know mind me, I can't even depend on my parents them for the trashing little dollars. So you have to go start mind me. Cause you want woman, so mind it woman. See there? Even my friend them I go tomorrow, I sit down there looking like a pia cause me can't go nowhere. Cause you not give me no money.
Well, like how you said me fi do that, I go try out to work and I can get a piece of food soon as possible because actually I talk and I look into it and I say, you know, say I have to go make piece of food which I make like a difference, but it all work. So, what can I watch some?
No, yeah. You're crazy. Right now, my pastor will come and my mother tell me to wash your plate and put him in fit out and my name in basso. Yeah, we go. Come.
I didn't.
Yes, I will.
You text me one next year when.
Yes, I will tell you when to come back again. Look. Later. Yeah, later. Aye. Tell me when you reach up.
love. Walk on me out. Here we go on now. You know, say, over here, someone want to cut down. Have a walk already. This one, have a walk already right now. You see, if you can cut this down, you have a 10 gram in your pocket. You want to know, you think you have to turn on your walk and just cut it down.
Yo. No disrespecting the rasta, but I don't know yard cutting. I see how my church out right now, my woman me I go look for. I don't really, yard cutting. I see me, I see what they put on my finger. Yard up right now. I go chop a line, but I don't know all these sheets, you know? So, yeah, but I cut the yard now, but not my style.
I go on now. I can't tell off it though. Come say everybody I try to do the same thing, but everything's not for everybody. Tom and Harry might lucky, but you may not be so lucky. Right? So I'm tell you try to do something where, alright, this is a thing I know. Cutting yard is a thing I'm missing enough yard that grew up, which I grew up. If you have a company where you cut yard, then no matter money you make. Look into something different, man. Everybody can't be chopper. Look, chopper tell you who can manage it, daddy. No, I know you for a long time, you know. I say I have a worker here already. Anyway, I'm going to get somebody else do it. If you don't want it. By tomorrow, I'm going to get somebody else do it. But I just say, look out for you as a youth. Say, right then, if I cut the yard and I pay you, and I want a good vibe, I give you the work you're going to do anything you want to do. You go cut yard with it. You know what I mean? As long as you're not going to mash you up, you just cut yard and carry back. So I mean, same time for me, I have to cut. I can't just cut you and pay. You know what I say? Because boss man, boss youth. You know what I mean? Everybody can do the same thing. Right? But anyway, look for your girl. You know what I mean? Anyway, look for your girl. If I nothing, if you check back by today, if you want to get somebody else deal with it, you can't work. But remember, work is important.
Go on. So me still come here look taxi. Well on there. Evening.
I don't see you as someone that own over here, because this is one piece. Land cut down, so I'm going to check. I see him.
Hold on there. Oh. You are saying you there so the van. Him gone home a long time, man. You have to check him around the yard. If you right around this one, man, just go up a little bit further and go down the lane and then you turn left. And you see one big house. Biggest house around there, he live in a hit.
Alright, thanks.
Alright. Anyway, I say. So me I look taxi there.
fight already done the matter.
I'll fight them. If you see it, man, you do a good job. When I go to my pay you, I'm going to go cut. You have something to deal with, alright?
That good man.
Go for your money in advance.
Yeah.
That's 10 grand. So turn up in daddy. Sure, see, as a youth, you know, me now, me
No, sure.
finish up. Never go up on the road. Yeah, man, I work, man. I take that ticket to the house. A little money, I can't money from you.
Alright, then make sure when you come later, you can come. So, yeah, later, ma go home.
Yeah, I'll take some more.
Alright.
Evening, babe. Can I come in?
Yeah, man, go on. Eh, remember Mana's little sister there.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, no, sorry about that.
Yeah.
So, remember me to say, I'll come on, me and come check it.
Yeah.
So. But I have probably make
You still go on, man, yeah.
You see, we get a rug, we get a car,
Yes.
and a piece of food, so we have bumped on the same can with a fish.
Yeah. Later. Text when you reach home. Yeah.
Kena.
Gone.
Kena, oi.
I would have.
I can't, man. Come here now.
So you exchange our weekend or just come in, so come on. You come to my friend exchange.
Tired, you know.
What are you doing? So what are you doing now? You look walk for this or to you, so?
We should come walk. Me I talk about the man who go since day me and Fatty them girl. Sure.
Sister, want me down them there?
Yeah, darling. See, you have them over here over
Ah.
here. Sweet, no? My little sister. Eh, so you did that talk about Marcy? Girl, right now, Bex said they chat about Sina, man. Sin just get look of $5 come here. Cause me tell him, me tell him already say, if he can't make me and can no money come, yes, ma go left him so. Me just see go and go look like a walk. Cause me and him now drink.
Nobody come boast for me with a little 5 grand. A 50 grand, my man a give me in my pocket, so you must know. Triple, double everything.
You there come face to face to put me on my like a 5 grand. Me a date people in my age bracket. You are there with big white head man will look like they out for retire and they on death bed. Remember.
Makuya, at least me I get from 50 grand and like who they look up 5 grand. So you can stay over there so with that while me the over here so with my big money. You hear that?
Sure. Girl, tap them out man like a pension money.
You're
but
right.
I bet that.
You never lie right so.
Right. Married him to so that's anytime he did everything over to you.
Alright, my love, but here what me I go here now.
Yes, cause
for
your miserable mother, she been a bang on my phone and I tell me about what you're there all of this Sunday.
So many.
Because your miserable mother did a bash down my phone and I call me and I ask me which part get there, which part this and which part that. But when I one month I me tell you have to love me.
So me no say you're my girl, you know, because you see for the all fatty them now. They would have say, Kate no this side of me, but you see you now, you're my girl. Touch up. Come on. Yes. Alright,
Later. Ma go and call them mosquito you are near.
Alright, yes.
Yes, come in sis. So now then me too. Come. Yes, come.
Oh, Acha. Never see you know. Oh, go on. So look, so. How me look? Your face look wet, man. Funny. No. Come over here. If you tell us, say, oh, I left my phone over here last night. Where you there?
If your phone there, right next to your living.
Are you not take you up?
Me have the time to take you up.
Anyway, me I say. Other day, I see your daughter. I got a mall. I come from school in her school uniform. I got a mall.
See me daughter?
And my daughter as well.
Yeah, I see good.
No, me more than I see good. If me tell you say my daughter did it, if your daughter no must did it, remember them my best of friend, you know.
That's true.
But here next to them now, I don't make them see them because I want to know what them go do. So me really, I walk behind them, see a mall, then they go. I wonder, where they get money for a mall? So I come over to ask if I give them money for go mall. Because I don't give my daughter no money for go no mall. No.
Me not give
And
nobody
see
no
come
money
in-
and your father don't give no money, so me don't know where you get it from.
And I see I come in with all of this new stuff. And I don't know where I get them from. So me hold her now and catch her up in the walk and say, if I want to talk to her. Ask her if she have man. This the answer I get big and bold.
Yes.
One say how one little man. Ask her if she dey have sex
She don't
now.
ask her about my
Listen,
daughter.
ask her if she dey have sex now. Me hear your mother should me hear. My find out say my little daughter have sex already. Which when me the younger, me never know man them the time.
Jesus Christ.
And she dey have sex already. So you know me come over here to ask you if you know say for me daughter have man and you don't tell me.
Me don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. This new to me as well.
Why? It's straight. Me don't even know what to say right now, you know. I can't tell you what to say. Because he might get money for go mall. And I know me I give him a man, I give him some. I wonder what kind of liquor man he have
You
a
know,
give him.
see
Them
me
the
daughter
amount.
when they saw a wash, so when me done, me go ask her.
Yeah, and if you talk to her, because I need to know the man there. I mean, I go tell my daughter when I go home, say you need to show me that the man there. Because I scan to her, I want a schoolboy. I want the schoolboy there.
When me done, me go ask her. Come me have to know too.
Exactly, because here next year, you know. And me to buy her things then for her, little things then what she want as a young lady then. I don't see no man to buy them because he want to sit and come home with for a mall and I see a little boyfriend give money. That little, if I really that little school pin them talk about, that little school pin them now hold them kind of money to buy them something there. And you know how this a place a dear. Them a new things that me see she a come in, name brand things that she a come in with, them the little bit of money can't buy. That me a look on.
So me wonder,
You have to go find out why, man.
how if you have little boyfriend, and your little boyfriend I find them the breed of money there, if you buy them the rich, them are rich people things them. I'll kickers when my daughter ask me for how much months now. I mean I have the money for buy kickers cause she dey go to school and me have to think about for pay for sexy all of them or something there. Me I have the money for kickers. Me say she come here with brand new kickers.
All you have to do. Have to find out who I man.
You want to find out?
Cause me and your mother believe someone look boy buy them something.
So yeah, what you take me for idiot?
That's why I tell you to find out.
Me I go find out.
And they go ask the one they run this out to.
By the hook or the cook, and they go find out.
Boy, I tell about girl people. Kena,
Yeah.
you done what?
Yeah. Almost.
But wait. They wanna wash good.
What do you mean by them and I wash them?
You have need to wash your clothes them properly. First of all,
Me, I wash them
wash them
properly.
over. Put them back in this. Wash them over.
Oh,
Oh, let it go. Wash them over. You need to wash your clothes them properly, Kena. You're a big girl, I know, you know.
they wash good. They not
Wash
see-
them over now.
Go
wash
wash
them.
over.
Wash them over. Make sure they clean. Move faster too. Sure.
I can't want
Me have something to talk to you about too. You know got one little boyfriend.
No?
What I mean by no? For your friend mother come over here to me and say for your daughter her man. So you must have man because of you and she a link up, you're not her best friend. So you mean by no?
So, when me follow her grandma, no, mommy no care do with no money. As she go there and she say me must follow her after school, so me just go with her and wait on her out I do her place. Cause me no know what she going to go do. Me just did and wait on him, follow him and wait on him. Me no know where he go do or where he do whatsoever.
Yeah, idiot. When I left school, when me tell you to come home. Now who me tell you to come home as I left school? So you go and mad with your friend and if you turn up and wait for her. I'm sure say you not have no sex or nothing because from other day me see say you come for your look at something them. Me know you start to look at something under this so. But me sure say you not kick up. Cause you look a young girl and wanna kick up. So me sure say you not have sex. And you have to wait for a man cause man now run away. Well if a man they out there. So you have to wait. You hear me say?
Hey mom, no worry about me cause my hormone them young. They still a blossom. And my finish wash your cars. I'm mommy me hungry. Yeah, so look outside.
Me sure say wash. Me sure say when you spread them up on the line, me see they clean.
Them are spotless, don't worry.
Alright. When I done come with something to eat here. Okay, now
Yo.
Right.
So what do you know?
Tired girl.
Don't tell me say like walk in front of you so I get tired again.
Me tell you if you stop disgrace me, you know. But
Not
anyways.
disgrace.
Anyways, we come over here to invite you out with me and fuck them tomorrow after school.
Purely no the original style, no money. We go know.
Every time you don't know money, so you know where a man for?
He no get no work and I have to see with him.
Wait that then. Simple as that, cause it don't make no sense you have one man and when you want to go, you can't ask.
So I call him up and see where I say for you.
Alright.
Eh,
I hope you have a figure.
same.
You come last time.
Mama do man I can't pick up. In here, babe. You can't come over? Next 5 minutes, so. Alright, hurry up. Yeah, man. You send up an email, so. Next time you come, we see.
Evening, dear. Where are you, Brand? Evening, dear. No, Brand.
No.
Oh, you can't. You can't come in.
You come? Oh, you know some friend people say.
Hi.
Hello.
Talk to him better.
Good evening.
So, where's you, Brand?
No, sir. Yes, so I call you over to see if you know money can give me for me go to my girls.
Well, be you know, so I'm not get no work for you all weeks. You know, so I'm not gonna have no money in other short space of time. There, so I really want to help you out for the way I talk about. But I know I'm broke, man. I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah, man, so I understand you know, cause.
You know, no sense so much time to tell a feel if you boy. Yeah, you that, you know?
I didn't something you tell the girl for do. I didn't say I tell the girl for do. Left me really, and look how much things you go through. And a good that's not a good friend. And if you have her around, if she have an influence you in them things. You know.
But after you not fling on the little dollars, so you know, see, I know like she tell though, you know what? Me could break up for real.
Call long you feel like.
And you know what? I know like she tell, no, I know like she tell, because you not fling on the little dollars.
This is where everything I come from, man.
But being a tell if you do that, you know. Call long you if you do it. Hey.
You must say, I'm not thinking.
Everything good, man.
You see what you don't know? Don't talk about it here.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, time I come, go on. And time I come out, this is for your bye. Stand
I
there.
want to know. Hey, you better warn you. So calm, man, you know.
We'll leave for no woman again.
Anyways, girl, actually, I don't know me glad to left for the idiot boy. You know why you left him?
Second it talk so long time.
So now, be because cameraman for you.
You got $2.
Of course, I'm gonna give man when I know money.
Well, say no more. Introduce me.
Take your number first.
See if I put in it.
Cause you see, girl.
Right, I'll find a number too.
I think international, you know.
We see.
I tell you. Nice and handsome and anything, you know. But guess what?
Guess what?
You have one woman. You don't have to worry about that. Can you see that the girl there? I eat that him and take him for so.
So
Then
suppose you didn't take me feed that too.
And that for hand.
Oh,
But matter of fact, you cannot eat that. You can't make nobody take you for eat that.
right.
I mean a groove and everything, so you can't go like you need to the street.
So tell me now, if your woman no, you know, collect pension yet?
Well, that's another story. What make you think we are going to? Huh?
Oh, you have a point.
Exactly.
Anyway, so go over before me able start.
Hey.
Yes,
You
later.
make a think of me things.
Me are going for.
So you run for the thing? Alright, now, I want to go up on the road and I'm done. Come on to make some shopping, isn't it? So you plan for the today?
Just stay in your house, maybe clean up the backyard.
Alright, you know what you do for me? You see 50,000 over there on the dresser. When I go make some shopping with it. Isn't it? And when I collect some money for me set time about book.
What going on?
Yeah, you can go now earlier better. Cause you know say line long or something.
Let me wash my face first.
Alright. Yo, you know, some woman so gone on the road, so chill out. I'm just get ready here. I think you left for me, turn me for forward. Alright, yeah, man. Where you call it? The taxi if you come for you, coming at 2 when you walk on the road in the car place, cut him.
Alright, you know. Get my balance.
You must take up your money.
We take up, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna come back.
Alright, be safe on the road there. Alright. Yeah. Forward right now. Alright, yeah, man. Who that? Oh. Hello.
You remember the girl what did I say?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Here she is.
So much skin so.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice
I'm
meeting you.
Nice to
I'm
meet
Jay.
you.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Jay, as I know already.
I'm a
Oh,
here, mommy.
I'm
Come sit
Jana.
down.
What's your hello?
I'm also shy, like you don't want to talk.
Because we're shy. At first we are meeting a person.
You're full of check on the phone and some like,
Yeah.
So tell me more about yourself now so we can get fit talk and see
Alright,
how
how
far
about
we
you
can
tell me
reach.
first?
Alright, well, me's a cool youth. You see me?
Yeah.
As you know, my work, I'm a chopper. You see me? If
Can't
you
say
ask
that
me
because you
for,
have one nice place.
if you ask me for anything, once a day of food, me make you reach it.
Yeah.
You see me? And as long as I'm just humble, I don't really have much things and easy to get jealous. So, how about you?
I'm about to blush. Alright, let me tell you. I'm Kena, and as you see, I'm an easygoing person and I don't ask for much. So, as long as you just can, did it for me, alright?
Well, I like that. You see me? I like when people pressure me. You
Alright.
see me? So, I feel like for me, I feel energy much. So, I don't know if you want to take it on a different level. I don't know what that sound.
Yeah.
So, you think we can start something serious?
Yeah. See as soon as. Yeah.
Because, like, I never know say that giving to me, like, let me feel like, say,
But tell me, I text your phone, so I can go talk about giving. We giving from my phone.
alright, then, so, well, go in or something.
Mommy, what you say?
I have something I want to talk to you about.
So talk to me about you know, so you can tell me everything already. Let me ask you a question. Why you look pretty till now? Me ever put my hand on you? So why am I going to do? Tell me why you have to tell me say I stop play around like a wild idiot.
Well, I know for sure say me an idiot. But what I have to say to you is I'm pregnant.
Wait, but not hear good. What do you mean by you're pregnant? A joke you make?
No, I'm do a couple tests and it come back positive.
What me tell you say? And the one time I take you and sit down and talk to you, you tell me you have man and you have this and whatever. Me not tell you use protection, even though you're not supposed to have sex at that age. Me go behind the rules them and tell you say we have use protection.
But that's the thing.
Me not like have sex with protection.
Yeah, Cougar. Cougar, you don't like have sex without protection?
No.
No. That's the way you get it. Me go call him for it now.
No, Mommy,
Not him, Mommy can't. Me go call him because you are go over. So me no want know who breed you. Now, by the way, me know I don't know little boy. I know only young girls there. Only like little boy. Me no business. You go over. Your father, you go England where you pack there. And me done. Me now go tell him say you're pregnant now. What you want to take you over? So, you go over. No, no, say nothing. You are go over. You know, you may have a 10-year whatsoever you call visa or whatever you want to call it, you know. Just remember.
But you not have to. You not
Shush, shush. Me say me go call the father, and that me go do. Me no want to hear nothing more. No, it seems like me spoil you too much. Or me turn me back on you too much. How me do for deserve this? Me always look how hard me work to pick me. You send you to school to make sure you have a roof over your head. To make sure you have something to eat at night time, man time. And you really gonna breathe for me? After even though you tell me say you have man, I'm still trust you enough for use protection, you still no use protection, don't. You gotta breathe. And me no believe in that abortion here. I don't believe in that. So you know what you're going to do? You go over England the pop. When I reach over there, you can start out that. Hello. Yeah, what going? Everything good, man. I tell her, say, you remember say your daughter they have one 10-year visa come over? Yeah, man, well, no, I perfect time to come over because I get one little work at Canada, one little farm work, and I have to fly out by next week, so she can't go stay here, so. And me no want to leave her now for nobody use her if she get pregnant out of school or whatsoever. So me go and send her over there, and you keep her, and you put her in a school and take care of her and so. Yeah. Me no want to leave her with no step up. You want me to leave her with step up if you breed him after and I take this advantage them? Okay, that's what I thought. Yeah, so me I go look about her and make she come over by next week and me I fly out by next week as they say. Yeah, man. Alright, me call you. You hear? Yeah, they go. Alright, you're going by next week and that's fine, and listen to me. Do not, when you reach over there, do not tell your father say you're pregnant. No, shut up. Be smart about this. Not tell him say you're pregnant till way you're done. When you start going to school, you tell him say you want to look wife and the school get you pregnant. Because if you ever know say you're a big man, you're dead.
But what if your belly starts showing me a go do?
You might go put you in a school by then, because you go over next week, another week you're in a school by then, you're going to start show yet. You're going to in a school. Do not tell him till you reach in a school. Couple weeks or 1 month later or 3 months later when the belly starts perform. So we are just back for me now lick you, you know, so me not put me on fire. When the belly starts showing, you can tell him she's pregnant and I want to put you from the school. Make sure you find a little boyfriend there. As people plan everything going on, you hear me? And I don't talk one go be there.
Don't tell me say I look a walk again. Make
Yeah.
you blow so.
Every time I come over here, I say to you,
Cause every time you come you just plop on.
remember say me unfit and but I did that thing too. So I'm to your here, boy.
Listen, girl. I have to thank you. In nice. Plus, Look when by me second positions. Look when you found me. And you buy me top two.
That earring?
Of course, real. Ask your man must buy real things. First time you buy fake.
Yeah. Put on your foot.
Oh.
You know what you talk about?
Hi.
No, mommy.
We just at our old school.
I hope you not be able to sell for school, you know.
Of course, Miss Cynthia.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright,
I
we're
know
sure.
so
Alright, we are going
yeah.
to.
Yes, ma'am. So I have something to tell you. You remember when Daddy did do the visa something for me if you go overseas?
Yeah.
Well, it come through and everything. And I figure go overseas because mommy did call him or something. Reason being, I don't even know if it tell you. I'm pregnant.
You prep. Oh my heart. You prep.
It's shocking to me to know you alone.
Family sister, family. Oof.
Stop now.
You prep. Oh Jesus. You prep.
Yes, Kayla, that you hear me say. So me have to go over because mommy say we can't stay in that place in the belly. Me have to go over and start when I know still I me know. Me can't go that straight belly so me just have to go keep it. And me go go soon. So maybe just come over here to tell you.
So when Marco see again?
I'm not really sure about that part. Me not sure. I'm still confused because really and truly me never did that. Go, you know, I hear how me beg and plead to mommy say no call daddy and anything call.
But she had tried to do best so fair, so it makes sense to just go on and don't. Because you know people
Me
don't touch
understand, but you know how daddy stay. If you go hard, mommy say me must wait a little bit before. Tell him about him find out his boyfriend. So that me have to do it. Me are going now.
Oh, yeah.
The last time I see so
Yeah,
me
yeah.
have to.
When you go up and pack your bag here, no check Cynthia and come back. Morning.
Morning.
What one? I want to talk to you about, I want to talk to you in a private. I don't want to talk to you with a little daughter.
Come go in there someone, more me and your best friend mother talk about something. Get so we have to say no.
Why? Why? Girl, me have to deal with. Right now, me have to send my little daughter overseas right now. Because she a come tell me the other day about how she pregnant. And me have to call her father and tell her father say, remember now, your father did look about a 10-year visa for her, so. And she have her passport and everything so she can go over. So what I go send her over. But me have to tell her, tell her father that she pregnant until she go over there. Because when you go over there, you can't send him back out there, you know. You have to keep him because he's done in pitney already, you understand? So me come over here to tell her, say, you need to watch your little daughter keenly, please. Because I don't want to see anything happen to me pitney, happen to feel pitney.
That a gone. Why? You see them a young girl, them a look young pitney here. All they want a man. Say if the one they ever can now got in my house, me know what to do with her. All them good for a man. Every day then one man then do this, then do that. Boy, me don't know what to do. But if she ever can go in my house, me know what to do with her.
Me say, when little girl tell me tell little girl say use protection now, and she say yes mommy me I use protection and me a this and me a that. All if you find out say one cougar me there raise, one cougar me up there raise. I know be a stress for me brain now, cause me love little girl now, me never want to send him when me the one raise, me never want him papa over they have no leverage over me to say you send over your daughter and I'm your my daughter for she a X amount of age or whatsoever. Me never want that. But see there it happen. And me, you know, Jamaica people love chat. You can't make nobody see my breeder and come contact with him breed out of school. You understand? So, me see come over here, you must come over here and tell your daughter say me a send her away now. Must that thing come over here because me tell him to go pack in bag. You understand? It seems like the rain will come down, so I'm not going to go.
All you have to do, make sure say father take care and grandpitney your man, cause you know make no sense to dash away.
That's right, you're mad. I don't believe you're doing something there you know too, so.
Well, alright, later.
You come here and I wash some clothes, you know.
Alright, you come on. I'm ready before you get you. What's up?